Anybody in here know a baby that was born with a significant medical problem, a child with complex medical needs? Man, that's a lot of hands. Yeah, work with them. Anybody know someone who is able still to live at home, but maybe has to have a little special care come in every day? Maybe somebody who has a wheelchair has to have special care come in every day. That's how they get to live at home instead of having to be institutionalized. Anybody know anyone or love anyone who lives in a nursing home? Yeah. That's the face of healthcare in America. That's the face of Medicaid in America. That's the face of what we do as a people. We all pitch in some nickels because we don't know who has the next baby that's going to need that extra piece of care. We don't know when one of us may be wheelchair bound. We don't know when it's going to be our Nana who's going to run out of money and still need that nursing home care. And as a country, not just as Democrats, as a country, Democrats, Republicans, Independents, we came together and we said, health care is a basic human right, and we fight for basic human rights. We fought for it, and we won. Now, for everybody in here who posted on Facebook, sent an email, tweeted, made a phone call, showed up at a rally, right, I got bunches of hands going up here, right? I just have two words to say to you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. You did two things. You did two things. You saved health care for millions of families across this country, and you fundamentally changed democracy. We won the health care debate last month because we got enough people in this country. Somebody answer that. I can guess who's calling in to say, stop that woman. Tell her to sit down and be quiet. Nevertheless, I will persist. But we did this together. We still didn't have the votes. And look, they're coming back again. I don't kid myself. We already know. There's already been another bill filed to take another bite at trying to take away health care from millions of Americans. The fight is not over, but democracy is changing out there. And it's changing not just because of what we're trying to do in the Senate and what our friends are trying to do over in the House. It's changing because of the things you're doing. It's changing because of the ways that you're now engaging, the ways that you're making your voice heard, the ways that you're demanding some accountability from the people who represent you in Washington, D.C. And that kind of change, that's the change that's going to save us. That's what I believe. And it's why I'm here tonight. It's why I am so delighted to be able to get so many people into a room on a nice August night to talk about policy, because I believe that the only way we're going to have a future in this country, a future not just for those at the top, but a future for everyone in this country, is if we make democracy work for the people. So thank you all for being here tonight. Thank you. Thank you.